Have you ever wondered why we are often drawn to people who seem so different from us? Why is it that the quiet, thoughtful artists find themselves enchanted by the loud, outgoing socialite, or how the analytical thinking end up falling for the carefree adventure? In today's video, we are diving deep into this fascinating question. Why do opposites attract? We will explore the psychological and biological reason behind this phenomenon, the science of how these relationships work, and how understanding this can help you build stronger, more meaningful connection in your own life. Let's jump in. First, the concept of opposite attracting. The first opposite attract has become a cliche, but there is a reason it is stuck around for so long. At its core, this idea suggests that people are often drawn to those whose qualities are different from or even completely opposite to their own. But why would we be interested in someone who is so different? Would not it make more sense to find someone who is similar to us? Here is where it gets interesting. Will we do tend to gravitate toward those who share our interests and values? There is something undeniably magnetic about difference. Difference can excite us, challenge us, and even make us feel more complete. Second, the psychological explanation. Psychologists have spent decades studying this phenomenon. One explanation lies in the theory of complementarity. This theory suggests that people are attracted to those who complement their own traits. For example, if you are naturally cautious and risk-averse, you might be drawn to someone who is spontaneous and daring. They bring something new into your life, something you feel you are missing. Another angle is rooted in novelty. Humans are wired to seek out new and stimulating experience. When we meet someone who sees the world differently, they offer us a fresh perspective. This can be incredibly appealing. It feels exciting and interesting. Third, the biological factor. Beyond psychology, there is biology. Scientists have found that our bodies and brain are often attracted to difference on a biological level. For instance, studies on genetic diversity show that people are subconsciously attracted to partners with different immune system gain. This difference, called MSC compatibility, can result in healthier offspring. Nature stable way of encouraging variety and resilience. Even in the world of phenomenon and hormone, difference can be compelling. Our senses are consistently picking up signals that we are not even aware of, leading us to be attracted to those who are physically or chemically different. Fourth, the emotional and relation balance. Emotionally opposite can create a powerful balance in relationship. Imagine a partnership between a calm, laid-back person and someone who is driven and ambitious. Together, they create a dynamic synergy. One provides stability while the other injects excitement and momentum. It is not just about personality. Either sometimes opposites attract because of difference in upbringing, culture, or even life experience. These contrasts can be source of growth and learning as each partner introduces the other to new world and ideas. 5. The risk and reward. Of course, being attracted to someone who is your opposite does not guarantee something selling. Opposite can clash just as easily as they can complement. A highly organized person might feel frustrated by a partner spontaneity. A homebody might feel overwhelmed by someone consistent need for adventure. The key to making these relationships work is understanding and respect. Recognize that differences are not weakness. They are opportunities to learn and grow. Communicate openly, set healthy boundaries, and be willing to adapt and compromise. When done right, opposites can create relationships that are vibrant and full of life. Partnerships that challenge you, expand your horizon, and help you become the best version of yourself. 6. How this applies to your life. So what does this all mean for you? If you are in a relationship with someone very different from you, don't see it as a problem to be solved. See it as a gift, a chance to explore part of yourself and the world you might never have discovered on your own. If you are single and looking for love, don't limit yourself to people who are just like you. Be open, those who challenge your thinking, who see life in a completely different way. You might be surprised and how much they can learn from you. Remember, it is not about finding someone who is your mirror image. It is about finding someone whose difference brings out the best in you. Final takeaway. At the end of the day, the idea that opposite attract is not just a romantic notion. It is a reminder of the beauty of human diversity. It is a testament to the power of connection and growth, whether it is in friendship, partnership, or even professional relationship. Embracing difference can lead to some of the most rewarding experience in life. So, as you navigate your own journey, whether you are looking for love or deepening the relationship you already have, celebrate those differences, be curious, be open, and above all, be willing to see how someone else's perspective can enrich your own. Thanks for watching, and remember, life is richer when we step outside our comfort zone and open ourselves to the magic of the unexpected. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insight and tips on relationship, psychology, and personal growth. See you in the next one. Thank you so much.